Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing to a calm, short run-up. Choose 2-4 strides and a consistent rhythm so your body knows the motion. Pick a low, central target roughly 1/3 from the goal center to exploit keeper dive psychology. Approach slightly off-center to aid toe lift. As you step, keep your head steady and shoulders square so you can feel the sweet spot on the ball. This controlled setup creates the delicate pop the Panenka needs. Once done with the approach, plant your non-kicking foot about 5-7 centimeters beside the ball and keep it firm to stabilize the body. Lean slightly back and strike the ball with the toe or the very top of your foot, using a minimal follow-through to create a soft upward loft of roughly 3 to 5 degrees. Make contact with a gentle, confident pop. Keep watching the keeper until the moment of strike, then allow your eyes to flick toward the target. After contact, make sure the chip lands in that central 1/3 at about 1.5 to 2 meters up, which forces a committed dive and rewards timing. Keep your follow-through short and compact. Trust the delicate pop rather than brute force to land the ball softly. If the keeper rushes out or reads your cue, adjust. Delay the pop by a half step or slightly alter run-up length next attempt so your timing and disguise recover. Practice both changes until natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.